everyone, it's Louise here from Crazy Borgies. I hope you're well and fine on this beautiful September day. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of latch hooking. So this is my latch hook that I've had as a whip for many years now. This has been going for probably at least 2 years, if I'm honest. You get the box, the picture. That's what it should look like once completed, and this is what it's currently looking like. So I've nearly finished the rainbow, and I remember now why this has took me so long, and it's purely because of all the white. Yes, I'm not a fan of diamond painting, cross stitching or latch hooking boring white color. It just isn't for me, guys. I don't know why, it's just the way that I am. And yes, so that's what we're going to be working on today. So there we go. Yes, so I am working on this orange color here. Once again, I go by the stamp that is on here, not by the pattern. Although with this one there is no pattern, so I don't need to worry about that really. So I'm on this like orangey sort of peachy shade. Yeah, this sort of shade. Okay, I'm just pulling out the colours. So first and foremost, if you have not done so already and you like my content, if you could please consider liking and subscribing and following me on TikTok and Instagram on Crazy Borgies Diamond Art. Okay, so there we go. Okay. So this was my first ever latch hook kit that I ever got and ever tried, and as you can see I still have not finished it. It was off just a cheapie off Amazon to see if I enjoyed it. Okay. So I would not recommend latch hooking this way at all, by colour. If you're new to the craft, because it can be a little bit confusing. You're supposed to go row by row, but me being me, I don't do things the easy way for some reason. I really don't. So yes, it is Monday the 8th of September here. And the kiddies are now officially all back at school, so I've got a routine going again, which is good. Do you know what? I think I need something underneath it, like a cushion. That's better, just to give me a flatter surface than my lap. That's a bit better. I'm out of practice with latch hook because I haven't done it for a few months now. I feel like latch hook is an autumn or winter feel, definitely. But it does come back to you eventually, most definitely. There's that one. So now my next row will be from there to there. Yeah, this one, I don't know, I remember struggling with the yarn now. I remember it fraying off quite a lot. Hang on, let me just get this off like that and get a new piece. That piece is done now. There. I'm just trying to get as many out as possible of this shade because they're all kind of like mixed up here, you see, so I have to pull out the shade that I need like that. So Always takes me a while when I have a bit of a break from a hobby to get back into it. And then once I pick up pace, I'm good to go. And the thing with latch hook is you do see progress on whatever you're latch hooking pretty quickly, because you know it is quite a fast hobby, as you know, because I've done two latch hook cushions, both from Temu. This one wasn't from Temu, this was from Amazon, and I specifically got it from Amazon because I wanted to see if I liked it or not. There's no point in spending loads of money on a hobby if you're not sure if you're going to enjoy it. So yeah, there. So there's that row done, and then we shall move up to the next row. So this actually isn't a cushion cover. This is one that you can hang on the wall, but I think I will probably stitch it onto a cushion cover to make it a cushion, if that makes sense. So because that was my plan all along for this one. My idea was to actually do the latch cushions and then perhaps sell them at car boot sales after they've been done. Perhaps, I don't know. But then I don't know if that's worth my time, really. I don't know. And also, I have a problem, guys, because when I work on something, I get attached to it. I don't know if anyone else is like that, and I don't want to let it go, literally. Yeah, I don't know what the heck is going on here. Has it got a knot in it? Oh, yes, look, it has got a knot in it. Didn't see that. Yeah, so if I'm working on something, I get very, very attached to it. And then when I complete it, I don't want to let go of it, which is not good. Not if you want to, if your goal is to try and sell your work. It's not good at all. There we go. It's a lovely shades though on this one, the rainbow. It's like yeah, just a rainbow. A rainbow, I don't know, it's like something that you can hang on the wall. Lots of different examples here of it as well. I think this one had these in the set, and I have got this one as well, the purple lilac background with the butterfly. So I will be doing that one next after I've finished this one. I do like the sunflower one though. Sunflower one is nice. So yeah, okay, Let's get some more of that colour out now. There we go. So I went to church today and we had bus strikes here and train strikes in the UK today, which meant that everyone was on the road trying to drive instead of getting public transport. As a result, a drive that usually takes me half an hour tops took me over an hour, about an hour and a half. Yes, because the traffic was just everywhere. It appears everyone decided to try and drive to work today. As a result, it just delayed everyone. Never mind. And then I thought it was just for today, but now I've just found out it's all week. So all week long, I'm probably going to be late to church. I missed the mass, but I managed to get there just to say some rosary prayer, which was good. There. Sorry guys, I've got Luna now chewing up a cup in the background. You know, she's got a great big bone sitting here, but she'd rather chew a plastic cup instead. Okay, before the dog drives us all crazy with the sound of the chewing, because that's what she usually does, I'm going to say adios buenas noches. And obviously, when I complete this one, I will upload it onto Shorts. And if you want, I can make another video about stitching it onto a cushion cover. I'm going to be having cushions all over my house by the time I've finished latch hooking all my latch hook kits. Honestly, I'm going to be covered in cushions. As I said, you know, my plan was to do them and then perhaps sell them in craft fairs or summer fairs and Christmas fairs, but I get too attached, guys, and then they look so beautiful afterwards. I think I don't want to get rid of that. So I end up with all this stuff around the place. Never mind, never mind. Okay, guys. So thank you for joining me for today's latch hook video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I know it's just a short, quick one, but sometimes they are like that. There we go. There we go. Take care, God bless, and I will speak to you all soon. And stay looking out for my shorts, because I will be posting some new shorts soon when I complete my projects. Yes. So take care, God bless, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye for now, guys. God bless you all. Look after yourselves and look after one another. Bye.